Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. My name is Hannah and in today's video we are going to be doing some cleaning throughout the house. We're also going to be doing some decluttering and organizing. I got some new organizational products from the Dollar Tree that I'm super excited to use today. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. And a big thank you to the sponsor of today's video, which is Top Cashback. I am going to be telling you guys how you can earn cash back when you shop at stores like the Dollar Tree or Target, Grove Collaborative. So if you want to hear how you can earn cash back when you shop, be sure that you stay tuned. We will be talking more about that in a few minutes. So before we got started with any of the organizing, I wanted to get my kitchen cleaned up first. I had to empty the dishwasher, get all the dishes washed and put into the dishwasher, wipe off the countertops, all of the usual things. And I got some drawer liner at the Dollar Tree. It's like the sticky stuff that you can peel off the back, cut it and shape it to your drawer. And I'm going to put some of that in my drawers here in the kitchen and get those reorganized as soon as we get it all cleaned up. I want to start doing a question of the day in some of my videos for you guys to answer down in the comments. So today's question of the day, since we're going to be doing some organizing in this video, is where is your favorite place to get organizational products? I usually go to the Dollar Tree or I like to look at Target or Walmart, but I would love to hear from you. Do you like to go to Amazon or the Container Store? Where is your favorite place to get some? Let me know down in the comments. Now that the kitchen is all clean, I want to get some essential oil diffusing, and I'm going to diffuse some lemon essential oil. You can never go wrong with diffusing lemon essential oil in your kitchen. It just smells nice and clean and fresh. So at this point in the video, I had a package delivered to my door and it was my new garbage can. I know, exciting stuff, right? But I was really excited to get a new garbage can because my old one was broken. I've been wanting to get a new one for a while and I finally just ordered one. I found this one online. I'll put a link for it down below. This one is a no-touch garbage can, which is awesome. So now we're going to get to use these new products that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and some of these I bought before because they're some of my favorites. I've never bought these clear plastic ones before or the drawer liners, but these big white baskets are one of my favorite items from the Dollar Tree. They're just the best to organize around your home and they're great quality. And something that I never knew until a couple of months ago is that you can actually shop Dollar Tree online. So many times when I show these Dollar Tree products, you guys are like, oh, they don't have those products at my Dollar Tree, I can't find them. Well, you can just go onto their website and find the products, and if you go through Top Cashback, then you can earn cashback rewards, you can save money. It's so easy for me to shop on Top Cashback, to get to Dollar Tree, to get to the organizational products that I want to order, and it's just super easy. You just have to, here as you can see, I'm searching for Dollar Tree on the cashback website. I click on Dollar Tree and then you just click the button to get cash back now. It'll take you directly to the Dollar Tree website to shop, and it's literally that easy to start shopping and to start getting cash back. My favorite thing to get from Dollar Tree is their organizational products like the ones that I'm going to be using in today's video. If you guys want to order any of the products that I'm using in today's video, you can go to Dollar Tree through the Top Cashback website, get your organizational products, and also get cash back at the same time. And of course, Dollar Tree isn't the only website that you can get cash back from Top Cashback. You can get 100% money back rebates from Top Cashback at over 4,000 stores that include Groupon, Walmart, Best Buy, eBay, Target, Grove Collaborative, and I do have a special deal for you guys. You can get a $10 sign up bonus when you spend your first $25 using Top Cashback with the link that I will have down below in the description box. So be sure that you go and click that link to get a $10 sign up bonus when you spend your first $25 using Top Cashback. And again, thank you to Top Cashback for sponsoring today's video. So as you can see, I've started to line my kitchen drawers with this drawer liner that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it's a pretty good size roll of it for only $1. It seems like pretty good quality. It's really easy to use. It does have the measuring lines on the back, so it makes it really easy to trace it out and cut it. I'm sure there would have been easier ways to do this, like pull the whole drawer out so that it would have been easier to measure it out and stuff, but I was just being lazy on this day, I guess. And then I'm using those white containers that have like a rubber bottom to them to put some stuff in here in the back of the drawer. These are some of my favorite containers to use in my kitchen drawers from the Dollar Tree. Those white ones, I will show you more of them here in the second drawer. As you can see, these ones I got a while back, but I had some of this other liner in the bottom of this drawer, but this stuff doesn't have the sticky on the bottom, so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the drawer, so it's constantly moving around, so I was just tired of it. And what's nice about these new drawer liners that I'm putting in, they're like a giant sticker, but yet they're really easy to peel off of the bottom of the drawer if you decide that you want to take them out or you want to switch them with something different. It's no big deal. They just peel right off really easily. So what I'm doing is just taking everything out of the drawer and then going through it, maybe getting rid of stuff that I'm not using anymore, and then I will wipe out the drawer with a wet cloth so that I can get up all of those crumbs. They'll stick to the wet cloth easily, or you could go and get your handheld vacuum to vacuum out all the crumbs. Then I dry out the drawer, and then I cut out the drawer liner to the size of the drawer and then just stuck it in there, and then I put back in the organizational containers and organized everything back into the drawer. These little white containers come in a 2-pack from the Dollar Tree, and what I like to do with these is to put a couple of them in the drawer in my fridge. That way I can organize like all of the lunch meat and cheese and different things like that into them, and everything isn't just like thrown into the drawer in the fridge. These big white ones would be great in a pantry to organize, but my pantry shelves were not tall enough for them, so I'm showing you how I organize with them in my bathroom cabinets. They're great to hold like toilet paper or cleaning supplies. I just love the look of white organizational containers, and they're only $1 and they're great quality. So the reason that I got these little clear plastic containers is because I have such a hard time keeping the boys' dresser drawers organized, and so I thought if I get these little clear plastic containers, I could use them to keep all of like their little underwear and socks in, and they have been working so awesome, especially for the socks. I can just put all of their little socks into the container in the drawer, and then they don't get lost. The little socks just get get scattered all over the drawer, and now they just have one place they can stay in. It's made it a lot easier. I went ahead and got all of his t-shirts and pants reorganized, went through them, got rid of stuff that he was outgrowing. So I usually keep the boys' pajamas in the middle of this drawer, but I was doing laundry on this day, and so there wasn't any pajamas in there, but that's where those are usually kept. And then now I have their underwear in each of their little containers. It's been working so awesome and made it so much easier to keep their drawers organized. After I got done with that organizing in the boys' dresser, then I went out to the kitchen and I grabbed my cordless vacuum, went ahead and vacuumed the kitchen floor and the living room floor, did a little bit of straightening up in here, and my vacuum is linked in my Amazon storefront. The link for that is down below in the description box. Now it was time to work on the laundry. I had a load of clothes in the dryer that I needed to fold, and then I needed to get another load started in the washer. Now I'm working back in my bedroom, getting that straightened up. I also wanted to do a little bit of decluttering and organizing in here. I keep all of my purses hung up on the back of this door, and I just wanted to go through them to see if there was any that I could get rid of because it's getting a little bit full here on the back of the door. I was only able to part with one of my purses, but oh well, at least I got rid of one, I guess. Then it was time to go through a few of my dresser drawers, see if there was anything that I could get rid of out of there, sell or donate, and then after that I wanted to go through my closet. was cleaning off my closet shelves, I came across my wedding bouquet, and we used all faux flowers for our wedding. We got all of the flowers at Hobby Lobby because I worked at Hobby Lobby up until I got married, so I used my employee discount to get a lot of the stuff for our wedding. Now I'm done going through my closet. I was able to get rid of a bunch of the stuff that I had stored up on the shelves to clear up some space, and I wanted to show you guys over here. I got these sticky hooks from the Dollar Tree, and I put them on the side of my dresser where you can't really see, and I use those to hang my long necklaces from. That is going to be it for this clean with me video. If you enjoyed it, be sure and give it a thumbs up. I hope that it gave you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration for organization, decluttering, cleaning, and be sure that you subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you join the channel. Just click the red subscribe button and the bell beside of it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!